Vise-Primeiru-Ministru no Ministru Koordenadór Asuntu Ekonómiku no Ministru Turizmu no Ambiente afirma Timor-Leste traça futuro sustentável, hosi ekonomia azul no turismo comunitário. E a Cimeira Mundial do Governo Sira, Vice-Primeiro-Ministro, no Ministru Koordenadór Asuntu Ekonómiku, no Ministru Turizmu no Ambiente ateten Timor-Leste traça futuro e DNB sustentável, hosi ekonomia azul no turismo comunitário. Saia nessa panelista e evento referida, muito com o Primeiro-Ministro, hosi Commonwealth of Dominican, no hosi Reino Eswatini, governante ne actuir, Timor-Leste no país multicultural, no neho diversidade hirakne, mas sai força da nação ne, o de tauniaan e a palco global, liu e a turismo.
I'm from Timor-Leste, we call East Timor. We are located in between Indonesia and Australia. As an island, we are the newest country in this century. We got our independence since 2002. So we are on the way in 24 years to rebuild our country. We are an island. We have 1.4 million people, very small country, but our priority is infrastructure, basic infrastructure. Yes, we have very good potential for tourism, and we have blue and green as potential. I do think that this is where we only a few countries left in the world. Such a beautiful beach that we have, no pollution at all. So looking ahead on how we see about tourism, our blue economy policy 2025 and 2035 will guide the sustainable use of our seas and while promoting economic growth. It's aimed to create employment and opportunity, to reduce poverty through initiatives such as marine park and establishment of an education and marine resource center. Tourism is our national character and national diversification strategy. Timor-Leste is the center of the Coral Triangle. Its rich marine environment lies at the heart of what an archipelago of the world's richest natural biodiversity of over 1,200 different kinds of fish and more than 400 coral species.
E a sessão de discussão nemos governante ne faz experiência timor-lestenian com a proteção do turismo no ambiente, no ensahari turismo comunitário ou de preserva ambiente.
We're quite lucky that we haven't got this situation, but sometimes very small matters happen. How we maintain and how we protect, we try to socialize. For one example, our motto from our country, our icon is, my sea is my Timor-Leste. How we protect the sea and how we protect the land. And the other side, we also see, we have one of our product called dyes, which is like silk. We say my silk is my Timor-Leste. And we're trying to socialize and start from very beginning, from the school, primary school, students, and university, community, and so on. Our ambition is not very big because we only depend on gas and oil at this moment for our budget. But we also don't have any big ambition to build a big hotel, 5-star, something like that. But we maintain Timor-Leste as Timor-Leste. We concentrate to build tourism for community tourism. So at the same time, we protect the environment. But we also follow and we attain wherever the environment or any climate change follow. And we learn from day to day. It doesn't matter that there will not happen any climate change or sometime a disaster in our country. We do understand that this may be happen. It happens some very small disaster, but we have to be very careful and contribute as We don't push or we don't exploit more than what happened. We try to protect our land and also our neighbor and region.
Cimeira Mundial do Governo tinha reunião em Lima, realiza em Dubai, Emirados Árabes Unidos, a Rússia Lorondolo, no Seremata e a Loron Lima, fula fevereiro né, no retam participação, o CF Estado no CF Governo e a Mundo Toma. Matheus Romário, GMN.